Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a healthier, more durable, and aesthetically pleasing cooking experience, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. This set boasts diamond-infused scratch resistance, PFAS-free materials, dishwasher and oven safety, and induction readiness. Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right out of the box, you notice the premium forged construction. This isn't just about looks, though it is quite striking. The forging process makes the cookware strong and durable, yet surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle. Nuwave calls it a work of art where form meets function, and after spending some time with it, I can see why. It feels substantial without being cumbersome, designed to perform well whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out. The star of the show, undoubtedly, is the Healthy Duralon Blue coating. This is where Nuwave really emphasizes the healthy aspect. It's an eco-friendly, ultra-nonstick Gen 10 Duralon Blue ceramic coating. What's crucial here is what it contains. It's completely free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Furthermore, it doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, which is a significant peace of mind factor for many home cooks. Nuwave even provided documentation from TÜV Rheinland confirming no detected PFAS elements, which is a really thorough step. Now, let's talk about Generation 10 Duralon Ceramic. Nuwave has been refining this coating for over a decade, and they claim Gen10 Duralon Blue is exceptional. It heats up fast and evenly, which we'll get to in a moment, and food releases effortlessly. The durability is also a major selling point. They state the ceramic coating isn't chemically non-stick but gets pretty darn close. This is an important distinction. It means the non-stick properties rely on the natural properties of the ceramic, not artificial chemical bonds, which can degrade over time. The hardness rating is also impressive. It's rated at 9H, and since diamond is 10H, that's incredibly strong. This translates to high resistance to abrasion, corrosion, and acid. What does this mean for you in the kitchen? It means your cookware is less likely to chip or discolor, and it should retain its non-stick properties for a significantly longer period than many other non-stick options on the market. Performance is where we see the forged construction and the special coating really shine. Every piece in this set is induction ready. They've bonded and reinforced the bottom with an anti-warp stainless steel plate. This not only makes them compatible with all stovetops, including induction, but it's key to achieving fast, even heat distribution. During my testing, I noticed that heat spread very consistently across the pan. There were no hot spots, which is crucial for consistent cooking, whether you're searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce. This even heating also contributes to superior heat retention, meaning your food stays at the desired temperature for longer. Beyond the core cooking surfaces, the tempered glass lids are a nice touch. They allow you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, which helps maintain temperature and moisture. The Stay Cool handles are also designed for comfort and safety. They feel secure in your grip and don't transfer excessive heat, reducing the risk of burns. And yes, these are dishwasher and oven safe, adding a layer of convenience to cleanup and versatility in your cooking methods. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are abundant. First, the health aspect of the PFAS-free Duralon Blue coating is a massive win. Durability is another major plus, with that 9H hardness suggesting a long lifespan. Even heating and induction compatibility are essential features for modern kitchens, and they are executed well here. The lightweight yet sturdy forged construction makes it a joy to use. The effortless food release, as advertised, also lived up to expectations in my tests. Now for the cons, which are fewer but worth considering. While the ceramic coating is exceptionally good, it's important to manage expectations. It's not a magic, non-stick coating that will last forever without any care. Like all non-stick surfaces, proper use and cleaning, even if it's dishwasher safe, will prolong its life. Also, some might find the blue color a bit too bold for their kitchen aesthetic, though I personally find it adds a unique flair. Finally, the initial investment for a full set can be a consideration for some budgets. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set is a standout option for anyone prioritizing health, durability, and performance in their kitchen. The combination of premium forged construction, the advanced Duralon Blue coating, and thoughtful design features like induction readiness and stay-cool handles makes this a very compelling choice. It delivers on its promises of healthy cooking and robust performance, making it a worthy addition to any home chef's arsenal. Link in the description.